keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side.
Can I turn this off? Is that better or worse? I don't think that really changed it. But so I'm doing the my dog tries human food challenge. I have 2 dogs and I'm recording them separate because sometimes they like it and there's one because the other one eats it. So we're gonna be testing. Kanook, come here. Come here, baby. You're gonna get the food. Let's start with yogurt. So I got this yogurt that has mango in it for him to try. And I realized I forgot, ew, this looks so gross to me. I would not eat that. Noogie, come here. Come here, buddy. Sit. Hey, sit. Don't make a mess. Oh, you got it on the carpet. You like it? Hey, no more. That's it. That's it. I'm assuming you liked it. Because, hey, there's some on the carpet. He's a mess. He got some on the carpet. Next, let's try some pure honey. So all of these I made sure are okay for dogs to eat. Because obviously I don't want my dogs getting sick. Because I am in charge of them this weekend. And that is not what I want. That looks like a good amount of honey. That actually might be a lot. Dude, stop licking the carpet. This one is Kanook. Don't make a mess. Ooh, you got that on your face. I'm assuming you like that as well. Do you like it? Is it stuck to you? Let's try. I have a lot. I got a lot of things. What do you want next? Want some asparagus? So some of these they have tried. So let's do asparagus. Hey, hey, hey. Wait, wait, wait. Sit, stay. You lost a piece. Do you like it? I feel like you don't look like you like it. Lost a chunk. His face doesn't look like he likes it, but he ate the whole thing. So we're gonna have a piece of broccoli, and then we're gonna try a piece of cauliflower, which I don't really see in this bag. So I might have to go get the cauliflower. You'll just eat anything. He's making this so much less fun than I was expecting. I do have, oh, all of this smells awful to me. I do have pickles. Oh, I can smell it. Hey, stop trying to sniff me. I don't know how to take a pickle out of the thing. So I got kosher, hey, hey, hey. Kosher baby pickles. I don't think they've ever had pickles before. That smells awful. I need to close this. I need to close that. That smells terrible. Did you like it? Well, yeah, you did. You ate the whole thing. I left my knife upstairs, and I can't leave him down here with all this food. So the apple we have to wait, the lemon we have to wait, and we have to wait on the sweet potato. Let's do a piece of cheese. Oh, and we have to wait on the cucumber. Stop trying to eat the cucumber from the bag. Okay, you're excited, huh? This is the first time we've ever done this. Okay, this is provolone cheese from T-Bones. Chill. Hey, sit. You're sitting on the screen. Ew, you licked my hand. You like it? Or you can eat the rest. Okay, cheese is done. Ooh, some Quaker oats. There are more oats upstairs. I have a bowl. But that bowl was for the egg. I'm gonna reuse the honey spoon. Stop it. Chill, dude. Hey, you're making a mess! Dude! You made a mess! You're getting oats everywhere! Pick up your oats. You have to eat them off the floor. He got so many on the floor. Let's have some sliced mushrooms. Sliced white mushrooms. So far he's eaten literally everything, which does not surprise me at all, because this boy will eat anything. Ooh, he spit out the mushroom. He didn't eat the mushroom. He spit it out. Eat it. You not likey? You don't like the mushroom. That was amazing. You are so cute. Next, let's do an egg, which I didn't think about. It's going to make a mess on the carpet. I'll move all the foods off of here. Oh, there's some cauliflower. Hey, hey. Sit, Noogie. Sit. Hey, back it up. There's some cauliflower. Do you like the cauliflower? Well, yeah, you just finished it. This dog eats so fast, and he makes a mess when he eats. He literally makes a mess when he eats. Okay, let's move everything off of here. I'm upset that I left the knife upstairs because I can't leave him down here with all this food. There's only 3 eggs left. I think my mom said that. Oop, I just made a mess. I got some on the thing. And I got some on my hand. I didn't wear the best clothing for this because I didn't think it was going to be a mess. No, no. Here. I'm here. Looking. Please don't make a mess. You like it? Okay, okay, okay. Nope, that's it. Okay, or just keep eating it. He likes it. The egg's gone. It's gone. All gone. All gone. There's some here. Thank you for cleaning up the mess I made. Hey, no more in the bowl. So I'm gonna start bringing some of the, stop licking the thing. I'm gonna bring some of this upstairs. And I'm going to set it on my kitchen table because I still need to do, can I stop trying to lick the bowl? I still need to do Kanai's reaction to all this food. So the only thing so far, I still have an apple and a sweet potato and a lemon and cucumber that he has to eat. But he liked the mango, the oats, the honey. Basically, he liked everything except mushrooms. Mushrooms, not his thing. Everything else, just go for it. So, are you gonna help me take all this stuff upstairs? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. He came up with me. It was very hard to get him to stay. Hey, wait. You're gonna get yourself hurt. It was very hard to get him to stay there while I, hey, grab the knife. He's a scaredy cat. I unfolded this chair that my camera's sitting on. He freaked out. I don't want to do the cucumbers. I don't even think I technically cut that right. He just looked at me like, am I gonna eat that? I don't know how I'm gonna cut this. I'll cut off a piece like here. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks fine. Noogie, stand back up. Come here. You're not in the camera. Sit. There you go. You spit it out. I forgot carrots. Well, I know they like carrots. You don't like the lemon! Now I have this lemon on the floor. So, the lemon is a no. Let's take out a chunk of this apple. I'm just gonna take off the side because this is too hard to cut. It's not really a thick piece. Apple! He's too funny. He sniffed that because he was like, this better not be lemon. Holy crap. This is gonna be hard to cut through. So this is a sweet potato, which they, I think, both have had before, but not in like potato form. This is so hard to cut through. I can't cut it. Want to try the lemon again? Nope, spit it back out. Lemon, not his thing. Does not like lemon by their name. We're just gonna slice off a piece. That looks pretty good. Ew, you are drooling. That's a tiny little piece. No likey or likey? You ate it, that doesn't mean you like it. Let's cut off a larger piece. Sweet potatoes, yes. I really don't want to cut the cucumbers. So I'm just not going to. We're not going to have cucumber. You're looking at me like I'm insane. I know I'm insane. So which ones did you not like? Did you like this one? Nope. So mushroom and lemon are a no. Everything else was a yes. You don't care. No, you don't. So that's it for Kanook's reaction to these foods. Next will be Kanai's, and maybe I'll be a little bit more prepared. But this dog was following me around, so I could barely leave the food anywhere because I was too afraid that he'd eat it. So, I'll be back with my other dog to see her reaction, because I have to keep them separate, because if she ate the mushroom, even though he didn't like it, he'd still eat it because he doesn't want a sissy to have it. So, I will be back. Might be in a different location with her. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because he was inside, she was outside. Eat those, please. Eat, eat. He left oats on the ground. So, yeah. Sound good? He's looking at me like I'm crazy. We'll be back with a different dog.